Hey there, it's the 10th of November and today I'm going to unbox, that is harvest the rest of my carrots that have been growing in this bed back here since, oh wow, June or so. So here we go. Let's see what we can get. And I sound like I have a cold. That's because I do. And I promise that you won't catch it by watching this video. So let's check this out. Here's where the rubber meets the road. Here's the proof in the pudding, or however you want to put it. And like I said, it's November, what did I say, 9th or 10th? Sorry, I got a cold. And so these have to come out of the ground because it's going to keep freezing here in Kodiak, Alaska. So I'm going to pull the last of these carrots, and you might be wondering, what are all these greens over here? Well, this is spinach and some mustard greens that I sowed in September, and they will overwinter, and I'll be harvesting come February and March. And I'll cover them with this plastic you see over here, and then they'll be protected from that freeze thaw and winters in Alaska. So anyway, here we go, the last few. All right, pull this guy. Whoa, all right. That is beautiful, beautiful carrot. And what variety is this? I'll have to look it up, okay? So hold on. All right, here's another great one. Okay, so far so good. And here's a littler guy. Wow, okay. I'll probably roast these, or yeah, I think I'm gonna roast them. I'll have some fresh for sure, but I'll roast them, and I'll share the recipe in the link below for my favorite way to eat roasted carrots. Okay, and oops, got one that's kind of snuck in here. Okay, so yep, so here's a forked carrot, and one of the reasons why you get forked carrots in the garden, the primary reason, is because there's a little too much nitrogen in the soil. And true, I did add some compost, maybe a little bit more than I should have in the spring, but nothing wrong with them. They still taste the same. Okay, here's the last guy, besides the weed. Whoa, okay. So this guy is forked also. You can see here, like that. So again, it means just too much nitrogen in the soil. And maybe the soil was a little too damp as well. So thanks for joining me today. And again, look for that recipe in the comments below. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.